friends, I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to review another kids product, which is the Johnson's Active Kids Shiny Drop Shampoo. So this is shampoo from Johnson & Johnson's for kids, and this is a new product from them, the Johnson's Active Kids Shiny Drop Shampoo for healthy looking and shiny hair for kids from Johnson & Johnson. So this is a 100 ml pack that I have here. So it comes again, this shampoo comes with a no more tears formula, so you don't have to worry about your kids' eyes burning if by mistake the shampoo gets into the eyes. So let's start off with the review of it quickly. So it comes packaged in this nice pinkish color bottle here for girls. It has this click to open cap which comes with a seal, so you need to break the seal to open it first, which is nice thing. So here I have broken the seal, and then this is how it works, the click to open cap. Also it can be open like a twist cap here. If you twist it, it will open as well. So right here we can see the Johnson's branding right here in front, and then on top we have the no more tears written. The name of shampoo is Active Kids Shiny Drops Shampoo, healthy looking and shiny hair. This is a 100 ml pack, so the net volume is 100 ml. Now coming to the price of the product, the price of the product is rupees 120, so very competitively priced here from Johnson's. Johnson's is best for baby standards. So this shampoo contains argan oil and silk proteins to give your hair that shine. This product is recommended by doctors. It's a pH balanced product. There are no added parabens and phthalates or dyes that are bad for babies. So this product is basically for toddlers to use. So to use, remove safety seal to open, apply to wet hair, gently lather and then rinse it. Yeah, gently lather and then rinse it. Safety tip for external use only. Keep it away from children. Normal things. So yeah, that's all about the information here. And the shelf life of this product is like 3 years. So it has 3 year shelf life as well. Now moving on, let me just open it up and let's see how does it smell. So we are going to quickly take some shampoo in a hand, and we are going to see the smell and the texture of it. So here I'm going to quickly pour some. So it has a nice smell, very nicely scented smell, and it has a creamy texture, and it lathers very well. So you can see it lathering on my hand itself. I can show you. So very little shampoo that I took on my hand, and it lathers so much. So it lathers very well, and this is without water. There's no water that I've used right now, and it is lathering very well right now. And it leaves back a very nice scent, which I really like. So yeah, and then it comes with the no more tears, which is good for babies. The no more tears formula, which will make sure that their eyes don't burn when you shampoo their hair, which is a good thing. So yeah, overall I think this is a good product on Johnson's. So guys, this was my review about the Johnson's Active Kids Shiny Drop Shampoo. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. This product is available on Amazon. You all can buy it from the link in the description below.